Right now, the device you're watching this on is talking to thousands of other devices around the world, sending and receiving tiny packets of data every single second, all without you noticing. This is only possible because of computer networks. In this video, we're breaking down exactly what a computer network is, how devices actually communicate with each other, and the key components that make it all work. Let's get into it. A computer network is simply a group of two or more devices connected together so they can share data and resources. That connection can happen through physical cables or wirelessly through radio signals like Wi-Fi. Once connected, devices can send files, share printers, browse the internet, or communicate instantly no matter how far apart they physically are. Before networks, computers worked in isolation. Every file had to be physically copied and carried from one machine to another. Networks solved that by allowing instant communication, shared access to hardware like printers and storage, and centralized control over resources. It's the foundation that makes the internet, cloud storage, and even a simple office Wi-Fi connection possible. Networks come in different sizes depending on how far they reach. A PAN, or Personal Area Network, connects devices within a few meters like your phone connecting to your wireless earbuds. A LAN, or Local Area Network, connects devices within a single building, like your home or office Wi-Fi. A MAN, or Metropolitan Area Network, spans a city, often connecting multiple LANs together. And a WAN, or Wide Area Network, covers massive distances. The Internet itself is the largest WAN in existence, connecting networks across the entire planet. A handful of key devices make all of this possible. The router directs data between your local network and the Internet, deciding the best path for information to travel. The switch connects multiple devices within the same local network, allowing them to communicate directly with each other. The modem translates the signal coming from your Internet service provider into a format your router and devices can actually use. And servers are powerful computers that store and provide data or services to other devices on the network, like websites, files, or emails. So how does information actually get from one device to another? When you send data, it doesn't travel as one big chunk, it gets broken down into smaller pieces called packets. Each packet is labeled with an IP address, which acts like a digital mailing address, telling the network exactly where it needs to go. These packets can even take different paths across the network and get reassembled perfectly in order once they reach their destination. This entire process follows agreed-upon rules called protocols like TCP/IP, which is the standard protocol that powers the modern Internet. Here's a simple way to picture it. Think of a computer network like a postal system. Your data is the letter, broken into smaller envelopes if needed. The IP address is the destination written on each envelope. Routers act like sorting centers, deciding the fastest route for each envelope to travel. And no matter how many different trucks or paths those envelopes take, they all arrive at the right mailbox and get put back together in order. One last thing worth knowing: the physical layout of a network is called its topology. A star topology connects every device to one central hub. A bus topology connects all devices along a single shared cable. And a mesh topology connects devices directly to multiple other devices, creating several possible paths for data to travel, which makes it extremely reliable. So, to sum it up, a computer network connects devices so they can share data and resources, ranging in scale from a small personal network to the entire Internet. Routers, switches, modems, and servers work together to move that data, which travels in small packets guided by IP addresses and protocols. Without networks, none of the connected technology you use every day would even be possible. If this helped you finally understand how computer networks work, hit like, subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and let me know what you want explained next.